Hi, this is Mariette from HowToExpo.com. Today I'm going to make taco pasta salad. Let's start with the dressing. First we put 4 cloves of chopped garlic. We add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning. This taco seasoning is made at home. We did it. And if you want to buy from the market, it's available. And if you want to do it yourself at home, then we have a video link for the recipe in the description below. Also, there will be a link at the end of the video. It's quite spicy, and if you don't like spice, you can put less than 4 tablespoons. Add 1 cup of olive oil. Whisk together well to combine and set it aside. I used cavatappi macaroni. I boiled according to the instruction on the packaging and then run under cold water to cool it off. It has to be cold. This is 24-ounce macaroni. If 24 ounces of macaroni is too much for your family, simply cut this recipe in half. Put around 1 cup of cooked ground beef. I cook the ground beef with a little bit of black pepper and some salt until it's browned almost. 2 jalapenos chopped. 1 cup of red bell pepper chopped. 1 cup of green bell pepper chopped. 1 cup of corn. 12 ounces of black beans. 4 green scallions. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes quartered. And 1 cup of avocado. 1 large avocado cubed. Sprinkle 4 cheese blend over it, around 1 cup. Pour the dressing over the pasta. Mix it all together so that the seasoning is covered over the pasta and the vegetable. This is enough for a big family. It's delicious and very, very good for parties. Children love it. Only there is this seasoning which is spicy a little bit, the taco seasoning. You can reduce it, or if you are making it from scratch, you can omit the chili. Garnish with cilantro and serve. You can also prepare this pasta ahead of time, like the night before or the day before. Just leave the avocado for the last moment, the last minute. Now for the best part, is to taste. It's delicious. The seasoning is so, you want to eat more and more. This will be a hit for your next party or with your family. Give this recipe a try. You will like it. It's really tasty. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to click on the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. See you soon.
Visit HowToExpo.com for printable recipes.